This is Bob. He is responsible for assigning work orders from all other departments and for making sure the field technicians complete them on time. It seems that Bob has not finished scheduling work orders to the team because he doesn't have a solution capable of integrating both commercial and field processes. Bob can't access online information, which in turn affects his efficiency and the crew's. Hey guys, what's going on? Why aren't you working? It's late. Now they will have to hurry if they want to complete their schedule on time. As Bob had too much work that needs to be completed manually, he couldn't notify the customer of the visit. The client is agitated and upset and cannot wait for the technicians any longer. Now they are having trouble executing their orders. Our technicians had a bad day. You remember that Open SmartFlex is a software solution specialized in field service management, and having it is what makes the difference in Bob's life? Thanks to Open SmartFlex, our technicians can view all the information related to their work orders online and access a 360 customer view, including any registered plans. The client has just been notified that our technicians will be arriving soon. They arrived on time, and you're ready to complete your first work order of the day. Well done, guys. You completed the job without any issues. Another satisfied customers. Our technicians had a good day.